please visit our website at weather.gov/Atlanta. Wind advisory in effect until 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this afternoon. What? Northwest winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts over 40 miles per hour possible. Where? Fannin, Gilmer, Union, Towns, Lumpkin, and White counties at elevations above 3,000 feet. When? Until 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this afternoon. Impacts. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects